Jai Hind friends, we are here Healthy Organic Farm. Now you can see that we planted usri, that amla, that is called gooseberry. So more than 60 plant we having. Now what we did, in two stage we planted actually. Initially we planted this you can see the big size of plants, and second we planted this side, small size of plants, this and all. So in that, after some time, what you need to do means you need to patch each plant like this, in this way, that it should be go upward. Otherwise it will be a spread on the downside. Then when fruiting become that the plants may break. If one plants may break, that will be very big loss for you, as crops will come on per plants only, per leaf, new leaf is coming in on that only. So this one we planted is initially 60 plant first time, but some plant didn't survive, so again we planted this a small size you can see, and this is big size. So this one also you can see, this one we changed that one. After that second time plantation we planted this one. So each plant you can see be stitched with that rope, these plants are spread fully in different location, so be given support for supporting purpose. You can see all plant we given this one like that. And you need to make one round structure downside of plant, whether that middle area is not that much clean, but that roots area should be clean, so that nutrients whichever you are giving, we are providing organic vermicompost, it will go to directly the plant. This is 1 year plant, less than 1 year plant I think. So this all plants is less than 1 year plant. This you can see here, be given support in this one. Why means it is going downside, each side it is going downside, so that we given support. Now it will be go straight. After some duration, when the plants will are strong, then it will be survive on his own weight on this roots and all, they can take easily. You can see that one is that first plant we planted, and that is very much good growth. This one we planted today only, one second time we planted, that time one more plant not survived. Due to that, this one be done. This you can see, you need to cover the area of the usri plantation. Why means after cover only, any animals or any other things it is coming, it will not come, because in a small plant, many animals can bite, rabbits, forest rabbits and all. So you need to prevent that one. After 1 year plant, no need of that one. Cleaning is necessary, root area maximum you need to clean fully. That middle area, due to rain it is again came, but roots area it should be fully clean. uh, then only it may growth will be good. Apart from that, we having curry leaf also. This one also 2 years old plants available here. So this one is usri, this is bigger plant, and this side. So all about more than 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 10 plants in one line. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 70 80 plants now available of usri. So for more details, if you required any support, we are using organic vermicompost, we are making vermicompost also. So for you require vermicompost or any support regarding that one, or any discussion, you can text us, message us. And thank you so much for giving that much support for organic. Be young generation entrepreneur doing organic by self motivation and by your support only. So thank you so much. Apart from usri, be having lemon plants also newly planted. So I will show you that one in another video. Thank you so much for your support and love. Jai Hind.